Start by checking for clear signs of infestation so you do not waste time or chemicals treating the wrong areas. Walk each room slowly for at least 10 minutes looking for live insects, discarded skins or droppings, and visible clutches of eggs in undisturbed places like behind appliances, inside closets, or under sinks. Inspect baseboards, window and door frames, and any cracks in drywall or floorboards with a flashlight and a stiff brush to dislodge hiding insects into view. Place sticky monitoring traps in kitchens, garages, and along baseboards for 3 to 5 nights to quantify activity and identify species by size and shape. Lift furniture and check upholstery seams and mattress tufts for eggs or tiny shells that indicate bedbug or flea activity. Outside, examine foundation gaps, under eaves, and around utility penetrations for nests, insect trails, or soil disturbances that suggest ants or subterranean pests. Take clear photos of any findings for comparison over time and to show to a professional if the problem seems extensive. Homeowners often mistake occasional single insects for infestations, which leads to unnecessary full room spraying, so confirm repeated sightings or positive sticky trap catches before treating. Another common error is missing hidden breeding sites such as behind appliances or inside wall voids, so always move large items and use a flashlight and brush to inspect thoroughly. People sometimes apply treatments without addressing entry points like cracks and gaps, so seal those openings and reduce moisture sources first to make any spray more effective. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and other users share experiences and photos to help identify pest issues. We help contractors find work and homeowners find peer feedback and practical advice before deciding on a treatment plan.